Merry Christmas from the Texas Law Dog. I recently viewed one of WJ Handy Dad's videos where he did a patch job on several of the roof holes in his P71, and it got me to thinking that I would really love to get rid of the antennas and the roof holes. So unfortunately for me, I don't have the shop nor the knowledge that WJ has. So I had to fork over $1,400 to a body shop. That one hurt. I'm not sure if I'll ever recoup that, but I did get rid of the holes. Everything was welded in. Body work was done. Repainted, and just wanted to show you all the clarity of the work that the body shop performed. So no more roof holes. That's one of the biggest issues with the P71. I didn't like the rubber plugs. I didn't like the Hmmmmmmm antennas. I didn't like the fiberglass patch that I previously had that failed when I washed the car and put too much pressure on the roof with my microfiber towel. So now this is how I would have ordered it from the factory. As a P71, no roof holes. I've got my emergency equipment in the front and the rear. And, that's going to be a wrap. It's time to, I think I'm done with the P71 bug. It's been a nice ride, but I'm going to leave this alone and hopefully move on to another project. But just wanted to show you all everything. Merry Christmas, and have a safe and happy New Year.